Hello everyone. Thanks for joining in for this new video. I know some of you guys probably know me, some of you guys probably don't know me. I have new subscribers coming in, so it's a good thing, okay? The channel is growing, I'm happy about it, and everything's going well. So in today's question, we're doing SQL analysis on one of my favorite companies, OnlyFans. And for this something, I've made a data set out of it and got some data from the internet too. And we're going to try to do an analysis on this data set of OnlyFans, and it's going to be a good one. You will definitely learn something from this. I would say really you will learn particularly rank functions if that's something you are dealing, which is you might be dealing with it. So you learn from it, so stick to the end of the video. You will learn a lot of valuable lessons from this. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So yeah, let me just share the screen. Okay. Yeah. So we are on the data set right now, and let's see what the data set says. Okay, so the question is saying that write a SQL query to return the stage name, category, and the monthly earnings of the second highest earning model in each category. So we have this data set models, and the models name have been put in here, and I got this put in here, and yeah. So this is the data set. Just have a quick look over it. Okay, um, just so you know, guys, this is not a real some of them are not real models, so don't go ahead and search it on OnlyFans. It's not just waste of your time. It's just letting you guys know. Um, yeah. So, what does the question says? Okay. Now, before I say this solution, as usual, if you don't know it, pause this video right away. Go ahead and try to solve the question on your own. Write a query. Spend 15 minutes at max. Okay, trying to solve it. Don't spend a lot of time on it if you cannot do it, because you cannot if you cannot do it, you probably are not good with the logic behind it, or you don't know certain syntax, so don't spend a lot of time solving these questions. 15-minute max, then come back to the video, see the solution, and keep on solving the question. So let me see what the question says. So the question is saying that write a SQL query to return the stage name, category, and monthly earnings of the second highest earning model in each category. So whenever I see a question, okay, whenever I see something like second highest, third lowest, or the lowest, least, or something like that, okay, whenever there is something, a number being specified, I'm very sure the first thing that should strike in your head is something called as rank function, okay. If they say max or least or something on those lines, okay, it's usually max and minimum that you might have to do. But in here, as they've specified second highest, I'm very sure I have only one thing to do, which is basically do a rank function on this. So I'm going to go ahead and write down, just this is the table that we have, and just go ahead and just write it down, okay. From models, okay. And then I'm gonna go and do what? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and then write down dense rank, okay. And then I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna do over, okay. These are syntax, just not there's no logic behind it. You have to learn this up, okay. This is important. So another thing that is you have to do is partition by. So what is the use of partition by? The use of partition by is simple, that we do not want ranking just to happen randomly from monthly rankings from highest to lowest. We want the ranking to happen on the basis of each category. So if cosplay, whatever is the earnings of everyone in cosplay, we want that to be ranked. So it is important that we understand that it has to be like this, partition by category. And then I want to be ordered by what? I want it to be ordered by the monthly earnings. Okay. So that's an important thing. Okay. Monthly earnings. Okay. So this is important, okay? Now let me just go ahead and see. So what I did here was that I use a dense rank function here over partition by category. So I want the ranking not to happen on just on this random basis, but it to be ranked in particular each category. That's an important thing, and then order it by monthly earnings. And another important thing is, which is the worst, the question is highest. They just didn't mention second earning model, okay? They mentioned highest, which basically means descending. So I have to use something like this here. And let me see, what do we have here? Okay. Oh shit, I think I put it wrong here. So it's monthly earnings, if I'm correct. The name of the table, yes. So if we observe in here, we have ranked everything from here, which is, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now, as the question says, what is something that we're looking for? What does the question says? We want select stage name, okay. Stage name, okay. We want stage name. Then we want what it was, we want category, okay. Category, and then we want monthly earnings, okay. Monthly earnings, okay. Earnings, okay. Monthly earnings, okay, from this, okay, as CD1. CD1, where um, RNK is equals to 2. I hope this works out. What is wrong? Okay, spelling is wrong here. Monthly earnings. Is that correct? Or earnings? No, earnings. Okay, that's perfect. I think so. Hmm. So we are getting the output, okay. So understand one thing, okay. So understand the use of CT, okay. There are people who a lot of time people prefer to use with, okay, which is good. I use with a lot too, with CT as, okay. But try to do like the subqueries a lot instead of using temporary queries, okay. So it's better to use subqueries because it makes the query time faster. Because in interviews you might be asked that, okay, what is some of the ways that you can make the query speed faster of a code, okay. And a lot of time, okay, you not using with is with slows down a lot of things, so it's always better to use subqueries, okay. This was a simpler question, but if you cannot doing, if you're still starting out, stop using subqueries. Focus on using with as a thing, okay. So this is a final output which we wanted. We use a where from here, and I put from here directly as CT1, stage name, category, monthly earnings, and as we wanted, okay, category and monthly earnings of the second highest earning model, and we put in here. It's a very good question, okay. Very important for understanding basic logic, okay. So is if there is something you guys particularly want me to solve or you want me to explain, I would love to do that. I don't have much people commenting on my videos, okay. So I'm not saying for the fact you comment on it, but if there is some particular question, okay, that you want me to explain you in a more simpler language with Chat GPT or other these tools that you probably have not able to explain you, and you want me to make a video on it, and you believe that this video will help this that particular question might help others, please comment down below. I would love to make a video on it. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, I'll really appreciate if you guys could like this. So I'm aiming for 5 likes for this video, as this helps my channel grow and helps me in general and keeps me motivated. Till then, thank you very much. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.